In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the trunk lid struts on this BMW 328i. These are going to be attached to the trunk lid. Let's get into it. Now you want to take a pick, and we're going to take the clip off the old strut. Just get underneath here, pop that out. And do the same down below. Just pop that out, slide that off, take the new one, pop it on down below, line the top up, and pop it on. You can do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.